Let's simplify these two problems. If we look at the different factorials, this one here is the lowest one. So we'll take everything to that point. Maybe I'll work over here. So it'll be 12 factorial plus 13 times 12 factorial plus 14 times 13 times 12 factorial. We'll leave this one alone. Plus 13 times 12 factorial. Okay, now I have three terms. This separates the terms, 1, 2, and 3 terms. We're going to take out the 12 factorial here at the top. And 12 goes into 12 once, plus 12 is canceled, I'm left with 13, plus 12 is over here, so it'll be 14 times 13, closed. Okay, the bottom has two factors separated by a plus sign. So we have a 12 factorial, and it goes into itself once, and 12 goes into 12, and I'm left with 13. So here we go. Now these two cancel, then I'm left with, okay, I have to multiply this out over here. 14 times 13, 4 times 12, 5, 13, that's 182, I believe. That's 4 times 3 is 12, 4 and 1 is 5, 13, 2, 8, and 1, okay? And add 14 to that, 691, 196, okay? So I have 196 on the top. I have 14 on the bottom. And 14 times 14 is the 196 because it's come from 14 squared. These two cancel, and that problem ends up to be 14 as my answer. So all of that is 14. Okay, the next question. I really love this question. It looks really simple, so it's pretty neat. So I have to reduce it to this. So it'll be 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 factorial over 6 factorial. And we have to find the value of x over here. So the factorials cancel. So if we look at this, I have 10. I have 9, which is the same as 3 times 3. I have 8, which is the same as 4 times 2. And I have a 7. Okay? The 10 is really 5 times 2. Okay, so now let's look at that. It's still x factorial. I'll start off with the 7. 3 times 2 is 6 times 5. Now I need a 4, so over here. I need a 3. I need a 2. I don't have a 1, but 1 is anyway. It's x factorial. So 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 is x factorial. So the answer is 7 factorial is that. Therefore, x is 7. I think that's really neat. You have to break this all up. 10 is 5 times 2. Okay, that makes 6. The 7 goes first. Okay, I have a 5. Let me see, my 5 is over here. I have a 4. I have a 3. I have a 2. And the 7's at the beginning. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 7 factorial. I love that question.